Hey guys, how are you? Keto Hotel Tours. We are here at the Avid Hotel in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. This hotel's been open since March or something, so it's brand new. We had to come here after that horrible bed bug situation at that Holiday Inn, which you guys will probably see that video before I upload this. So, this is ISG's answer to True by Hilton hotels. They're very similar, so let's take a look. Right here we got our fire escape plan. Right here, our little lock. And we got the same card lock. You just put your key up to the lock and unlocks it. Bathroom being occupied as usual. I'll throw a picture of the bathroom in this video. We got our little fridge. We got our little closet area. Got a little racks of, you can hang up some more stuff there. We got a mirror, a little sitting area or somewhere to put your luggage. We got a 55-inch LG TV, which the nice thing is you can view everything on here. It has your name, it had my name on TV when I checked in. You can do live TV. The TV has a Chromecast built in, which is nice. So you can cast stuff to your phone, and you can check out on the TV and stuff. This is a nice entertainment system. Pardon the mess, but here's the desk, another light. We got an AC unit. There's a view of the field right there in Lancaster. Here's a little nightstand area, free floating, 2 lights, phone, USB outlets everywhere in the room, which I like, and a clock. Right here where I'm pointing, that's the thermostat for the Manapitech. No more, you got lights on each side of the beds. That switch right there controls that light. This is cool, option to have. More USB outlets. Here's a picture of our view again. Nice view of the farm. And you got the Econo Lodge right there. You have the same kind of situation that you have at True by Hilton. The first shade is a blackout that pulls down, and there's another shade, just a privacy shade that pulls down. So like I said, this place is very similar to True by Hilton. So we got 2 queen size beds, very nice. They are comfortable. This brand does do free breakfast. However, I did not wake up in time for that, and they do have a heated indoor pool on site with a gym and laundry. So this room's pretty solid. So if you ever see an Avid hotel or you're in Lancaster, give this one a try and see how it compares to True by Hilton for you. Take one more look at the room. It's very similar. I like when brands do this. I especially love that TV and entertainment system they got going on there. It's pretty cool. So one more look at our view. And that is it, guys. Thanks for watching.